Hey people, welcome to another episode of GoMechanic, Ask the Experts. This is Utkarsh and in this episode we'll be talking about car care. Car care does seem a bit too general, so let's give it a direction. In this episode, we'll be focusing on how to save your car's paint. Congratulations, you have invested in a machine that transports people and requires a lot of care. Paint is one of them. That said, you can choose from two major therapies for your vehicle: ceramic coating and PPF, paint protection film. Which one should you go for? Let's have a look. Let's start with the premium artifact, ceramic coating. If you have a slight bit of petrol head in you or care about your car, ceramic coating is what you have surely heard about. If not, you are in the right place. To know what ceramic coating is, here are some science lessons. First things first, this ceramic coating liquid comes in a 30 ml bottle. What? 30 ml? You joking?
No.
Do we pay for this just 30 ml?
Absolutely.
Sad. Okay, so this expensive 30 ml bottle comes with a hydrophobic liquid in it. Hydrophobic, right?
Yes, hydrophobic, noun. The liquid that hates water and wants to stay away from it.
Okay. As a car with ceramic coating is splashed with water, that water will not be staying on the surface. It'll just slide right away. And how does this help? Well, a car with this type of coating just requires a microfiber cloth to clean. And that mirror finish on the surface, you can see your own reflection. Not even kidding. This 30 ml saves your car from small scratches and lets it glimmer. The next solution to make your car's paint last long is the PPF, paint protection film. As the name suggests, this is a film that protects your paint.
No shit, Sherlock!
There's more than just protecting the paint. Like the ceramic coating, PPF has its own USP. PPF protects your car's paint from small rocks and pebbles. Unlike the ceramic coating, this is a layer of polyurethane that does all the magic. This layer is sandwiched between a clear coat and an acrylic adhesive. But what is the magic we are talking about here? Well, it heals itself. Wait, what? This reminds me of something.
कैसे भैया?
Heard of force dissipation before? Well, this is where a large amount of force is distributed over a large area to reduce its overall impact. That's just the half story. This is where the 10th grade science comes in. Remember our teacher telling us each and everything in nature wants to attain a stable state? Well, the PPF's stable state is the one without any wrinkles or dings. Just pour some hot water and you're good to go. Now the question comes, which one is better for your beloved? Well, this has something to do with what you want. PPF is clearly more durable than ceramic coating, but ceramic coating is shiny and glittery. The thing that is famous in the car community is getting the PPF for the front end and the rest of the car is pampered with a ceramic coating. It is the front that gets all the beating due to the debris kicking all over. Psst, it's better to get the best of both worlds. This is Utkarsh going underground. Until next time in another episode of GoMechanic, Ask the Experts. So don't forget to hit like, break that subscribe button and smash the bell icon so that you get all the updates from our channel. Till then, bye-bye and happy motoring. So, wondering where to get your car pampered? Let me make it easy for you. Download the GoMechanic app and choose from our range of paint protection services. Ceramic, Teflon, PPF, detailing. You name it, we have it. Follow the link in the description below.